Hello students, welcome to the class. Our subject is Nursing Foundation. Today we'll discuss about the official organ of health system at national level. So we are discussing the health system at national level. Now here we can see three wings. One is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Second, the Directorate General of Health Services. Third, the Central Council of Health and Family Welfare. Now these are the important three levels what we are studying here. I would like to repeat once again. First, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Second, Directorate General Health Services. Third, the Central Council of Health and Family Welfare. So now let us have a look into all these three aspects, mainly their functions. First, the function of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So let us discuss now what are the functions. You need to list all these functions under this. Now here, International Health Relations and Administration of Port Quarantine. Second, administration of Central Institute such as All India Institute of Health and Public Health Hygiene and Public Health at Kolkata, and National Institution of Control of Communicable Disease at Delhi. So this is the second function. Third, establishment and maintenance of drug standard. Fourth, promotion and development of medical, pharmaceutical, dental and nursing profession. So family welfare, that they are responsible for developmental of professional courses. Then next is census collection and publication of these documentations, publication of these records. Census means collecting the information of all the vital statistics events. Then regulation of labor working in mines or any other oil fields. So certain regulation criteria only for the employees, those are working in minings and oil fields. They have a responsibility in immigration and emigration section. Coordination in state with all the other ministry for a promotion of health. So these all are the important function of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Then second one, Directorate General Health Services. Now here the function is international health relation and quarantine of major ports in the country and international airport. Now they are doing a quarantine in all the ports like airport, seaport as well as international airport. Then control of drug standard. Medical store department is maintained. We need to make a right maintenance in medical stores. Then administration of postgraduate training programs. They'll give a lead to introduce PG programs in health professionals. Then administration of central medical colleges in India. Then conducting medical research through Indian Council of Medical Research. Indian Council of Medical Research. With the help of that, conducting various research programs. That will be an important function of Directorate General Health Services. Then central government health scheme. You need to implement all the central government health schemes. Maybe from the central government we may have many national programs that need to be implemented in all the state. Then maintain the Central Health Education Bureau. Now here the DGHS has a responsibility of maintaining a educational bureau. Then maintaining and administering the National Medical Library. Now they has got a responsibility to maintain and administer the National Medical Library. Okay. Then the third wing was Central Council of Health. Central Council of Health. Now here the function of Central Council of Health is it is to consider and recommended broad outline policy regarding the matter which is concerning like public health, environment, sanitation, nutrition, health, education. Now all these aspects were discussed, given a broad outline for all these programs. Then they also provide an education program on prevention of illness and promotion of health. Next, to make a proposal for legislation relating to medical and public health matters. They can make a legislation act related to medical and public health aspects. Then, make a recommendation to the central government regarding the distribution of availed grants. See, whenever we have health programs we need to implement, we'll get a grant from the central government. To get that grant, here you need to make an application. So, that will be done by a Central Council of Health. That will be a function of Central Council of Health. So, when we discuss the health system at national level, we can mainly see the three wings: Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, District Directorate General Health Services, Central Council of Health. So, each three has got their own functions and you need to list out all these functions under this. You can expect 2-3 marks question on that. Then you please mention these three categories: Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Directorate General Health Services, and Central Council of Health, and write all the functions under this. It's very easy. Please go through the video and read the book so that you can write the answer. Thank you.